Hey signers, so welcome back to Sign With Me. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to sign ASL for families of deaf kids. And this is the part 4 of this lesson. If you've not seen the 1, the 2, and the 3, is right there on my page. Do well to go through it and then practice the sign so you will be good with the signs and you will have a very smooth and easy conversation and communication with your kids. So do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe and also be notified. So let's learn how to sign ASL for families of deaf kids. Hungry, hungry. You take your C-shaped hand placed on your chest and drag it down to your stomach for hungry, hungry. Touch, touch, touch. You just take your full finger and then you touch the back of your non-dominant hand. Touch, touch, touch. Want, want. You place out your 5 flat hands this way and then pull it to yourself with a bended finger for want, want, want. Eat, eat, eat. Help, help, help. Previously, you will see people signing help this way for help, help. But now, help, help. That, that. This is the general sign or the known sign for that, that, that. But in this lesson, we are going to be using our fingers to point. That, that. Banana, banana. You just take your index finger using your non-dominant hand and your dominant hand serving as the action you do when peeling up your banana. So, banana, banana, banana. Cute, 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 cute. Baby, 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 baby. Tired, 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 tired. You just take your hand, you place it on your chest this way, and then you bring it down this way for tired, tired, tired. Full, as in stomach full, like you are satisfied, you are full from eating something, or you are full after eating something. Full, full, full. And then the general full that we know, like a bottle full or a cup full. This is the sign full, full. So full as in satisfied, full, full. Dear, dear, dear. Now in a plural form, you just do this, dear, because they are much, or you are referring to a large group of persons. Dear. So, dear. You help me. You help me. Now, if you're signing you help me, you are directing your hand from the person you're having a conversation with or you're asking to help you, and then pulling it to yourself for the person to help you. So, you help me. You help me. You help me. Me help you. Me help you. Me help you. Now, I am the one trying to help the person, so I'm going to be pulling it from myself and directing to the person I am helping. Me help you. Me help you. Dog, dog, dog. Another sign for dog, you could do dog, dog, Hit on your leg, your thigh, and you do this for dog or dog. Don't, 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 don't. You just take your 5 flat hand this way, cross each other, and pull it out this way with a negation for don't. Don't, don't. Not, 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 not. You just take your thumb, place on your chin like under, and then you pull it out with a negation for not, 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 not. My, my. You just take your 5 flat hand and you place on your chest this way for my, my, my. I or me, I or me, I or me. You just take your index finger, you placed on your chest, referring to I or me. So, I or me. Great job, signers. So, let's put some of these words into sentences. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Hungry? Want? Eat? Do you need help? You need help? Do you want banana? You want banana? Are you full? You full? Where is your banana? Your banana? Where? Can you help me, please? You help me, please? Where is the dog? Dog? Where? Don't touch it. Don't touch. All done. Great job, signers. Do not forget to keep practicing because what? Practice makes perfect. So, until next time, keep signing with me.